Hello students, let us continue chapter 6 integers. The next topic we are going to discuss is subtraction of integers with the help of a number line. So number line के help से we will learn how to subtract integers. So first of all, if it is 6 minus 2, then it is very simple. हम लोग 6 से start करेंगे और minus 2 है, then we will go 2 units backwards, that is towards the left. Always remember, when it is minus then we will go towards the left, and when it is plus then we will go towards the right. Okay, so इसको हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं 6 plus minus 2, that is we are adding minus 2 to 6. So this is just like addition of integers which we can consider so बहुत ही similar है, बहुत ही easy है. This will be equal to 4 according to the number line. What about 6 minus minus 2? Is that also equal to 4? The answer is no, because 6 minus minus 2 है और हमें याद है कि minus minus क्या हो जाएगा, plus. So 6 minus minus 2 is equal to 6 plus 2. So here plus 2 है, that means we will go towards the right. So starting point is same, it is 6, and we will go 2 units towards the right. Then we will get the answer as 8. So 6 plus 2, that is 6 minus minus 2 is equal to 8. So from here we can say that 6 minus 2 is not equal to 6 minus minus 2. These are different. What about minus 1 plus minus 3? It is just like addition. We can also consider this like this, minus 1 minus 3 ये आपस में equal होता है. So अब यहाँ पे minus 1 हमारे पास है, minus 3 करना है, so we will move 3 units towards the left in this direction. Then we will get the answer minus 4. And if it is minus 7 minus minus 3, then this is equal to minus 7, minus into minus we get plus, which is equal to minus 4. यहाँ पे भी हम देख सकते हैं minus 7 है, plus 3 means we will go towards the right. So here 1, 2, 3 units towards the right, then the answer is equal to minus 4. And what about without using the number line? This was using the number line. Without using the number line अगर हमें subtraction करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? Here we have minus 7 minus minus 3, तो हम लोग इसको डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं minus 7 plus 3. So if we want, instead of directly going to this step, we can write this as minus common निकाल सकते हैं. यहाँ पे plus है, जब minus common निकालेंगे so it will become minus and this will become plus. So 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and here we have the minus sign, that is equal to minus 4. So in this way you can add without using the number line. Let us consider a few more examples. Like if we were to add if we have to subtract 90 from 72, 72 minus 90 करना है तो क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे भी हम लोग माइनस का साइन जो है वो कॉमन निकालेंगे. सो यहाँ पे when we take minus common, minus 90 will become plus 90 and plus 72, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, then that means it is a plus. So plus 72 will become minus 72. ठीक है, अब इसको ये minus 72 कैसे बना, तो हम लोग ब्रैकेट ओपन करके इसको चेक कर सकते हैं. ओवर हियर यहाँ पे when we open the bracket, minus 90 हो जाएगा, है ना, minus into 90 we get minus 90 and minus into minus we get plus. We all know that this is equal to 72. So coming back to our question, here we have plus 72 minus 90, जिसमें से हमने minus common निकाल लिया और जहाँ पे plus था it became minus. I told you the reason, minus into minus we get plus. So when we are taking minus common, then we will be writing minus for those terms who have plus as their sign. So here this is equal to 90 minus 72 simply करना है, then we will get 18, and here we have minus sign outside the bracket, then this will be equal to minus 18. And if we consider this example, minus 4 minus minus 10, that is we are subtracting minus 4 from minus 10. अगर इस तरह से क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, subtract करना है minus 4 from -10. सो दिस फ्रॉम मतलब हमें किस में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, -10 में से -4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो हम इसको इस तरह से नहीं लिखेंगे, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. सब्ट्रैक्ट -4 फ्रॉम -10, इसको इस तरह से नहीं लिखेंगे. इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, -10 में से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं -4. सो इन दिस वे वी विल राइट. सो सिंपली आप लोग याद करो, इफ़ यू हैड दिस टॉपिक ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन बिफोर, इट वॉज लाइक सो. इफ़ यू वेर गिवन क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस फॉर्म, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सब्ट्रैक्ट 4 फ्रॉम 6. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट 4 फ्रॉम 6 मतलब 6 में से 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, इस तरह से हम इसको लिखते थे, राइट. सो हियर इट इज़ गिवन सब्ट्रैक्ट -4 फ्रॉम -10, देन -10 विल कम इन द बिगिनिंग. सब्ट्रैक्ट है तो माइनस का साइन आएगा, एंड क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, -4. सो हाउ विल वी सॉल्व दिस, हियर -10 विल बी एज इट इज़, माइनस इंटू माइनस वी गेट प्लस. ठीक है, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस होता है, माइनस इंटू प्लस इज इक्वल टू minus, and plus into minus is also equal to minus. Plus into plus is equal to plus. These are the basic rules. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, minus into minus है, which is also equal to plus. So here minus into minus we get plus 4 as it is. अब हम माइनस कॉमन निकाल लेते हैं, माइनस कॉमन निकालेंगे, +10 हो जाएगा और +4 है तो इट विल बिकम -4. सो 10 -4 is equal to 6, and here outside the bracket we have the sign of minus, so we will put it in front of 6. So here it is -6. That is, when we subtract -4 from -10, we will get -6. Now we can look into this in one more way. जब हम लोग इस तरह से इसको लिख रहे हैं -10 माइनस -4, तो हमें क्या करना है, सिंपली -4 का एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऐड करना है 10 पे. दैट इज़, टू सब्ट्रैक्ट एन इंटीजर फ्रॉम अनदर इंटीजर, इट इज़ इनफ टू ऐड द एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ द इंटीजर दैट इज़ बीइंग सब्ट्रैक्टेड टू द अदर इंटीजर. Here in the textbook it is given, to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. So this was the example 8 which we discussed just now. So क्या किया है, -10 को as it is रखा है, ठीक है. माइनस ऑफ -4 के बदले what we are going to do, add the additive inverse of the integer. So what is the additive inverse of -4? It is +4. So add the additive inverse of -4, which is equal to -10 plus 4, which is equal to -6. It is basically the same thing, but we can do it in this way also. So over here, what did I say? Minus of -4 के बदले we can write -10 and add the additive inverse of -4. So additive inverse of -4 is 4. So this is equal to, we can take minus common, then we will have -10 -4 which is equal to -6. और आप लोग इसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हो, -10 plus 4, then you know that this is equal to -6. सिंपली क्या करोगे, 10 - 4 करके उसके आगे नेगेटिव साइन यानी कि माइनस का साइन लगा देंगे. So in this way we will do the subtraction of integers which we have seen using the number line, with the help of the number line, and without using the number line, in both the ways. Let us now begin exercise 6.3, question number 1. Find first 35 minus 20. So here we have to find the answers of this question. So let us see the solution. So in this question you have to find 35 minus 20. ठीक है, तो सिंपली आपको 35 में से 20 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो नथिंग न्यू, दिस इज़ एज यूजुअल विच यू यूज़ टू डू अर्लियर. सो यहाँ पे आपको 35 minus 20 करना है, देन दिस विल बी डायरेक्टली इक्वल टू 15. ठीक है, वेरी इजी. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू फाइंड 70 minus 90, and if you remember we have already discussed this we can write it as minus of 90 minus 72. So this will be equal to minus of 18. ये हमने पहले ही डिस्कस किया था. नेक्स्ट you have to find in the third sub question, that is in sub question C, you have to find -15 minus -18. अब यहाँ पे -15 तो as it is लिखेंगे, minus into minus we get plus, so this is equal to 18 minus 15 plus 18 हो जाएगा which is equal to 18 minus 15 and this is equal to 3. So minus 15 minus 18 we get plus 3. In the same way you have to find for sub question D, E and F on your own and write the solution in your notebook. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to sign. First, minus 3 plus minus 6 blank minus 3 minus 6. So here in this question ये जो blank space है यहाँ पे हमें fill करना है with any of these sign, या तो greater than, या तो less than और equal to. So let us see the solution. So in question number 2 we have to fill in the blanks with greater than, less than और equal to sign. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले इसको solve कर लेते हैं. Here we have minus 3 plus and minus we get minus and 6 is as it is, and here we have minus 3 and minus into minus we have plus 6. So when we solve this we can take minus common and here we have 3 plus 6, right? And here when we solve this 6 minus 3 इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So यहाँ पे 9 हो जाएगा minus 9, ठीक है, minus 1 as it is. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Next we have 6 minus 3 which is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 3 मिलेगा. अब इन दोनों के बीच में हम लोग ये वाला साइन लगाएंगे. minus 9 is less than 3. We all know this. So the comparison between this and this is less than. यहाँ पे कौन सा सिंबल आएगा? minus 3 plus minus 6 is less than minus 3 minus 6. Similarly, in the next question, we are asked to compare between minus 21 minus 10. There is a blank space and then we have minus 31 plus minus 11. So again we will solve these. Then here we have minus 21, minus into minus we have plus 10. There is a blank space here also, you can keep the blank space as it is. हाँ, यहाँ पे coming back here we have minus 31 and this is minus 11. Minus and plus and minus or minus and plus we get minus. So here when we take minus common we have 21 minus 10, and here when we take minus common here we have 31 plus 11. So when we solve this further this will be equal to minus 11. Let us keep the blank space as it is, and here we will have 31 plus 11 पहले करेंगे which is equal to 42, and outside the bracket we have minus. So 31 plus 11 we have 42 and minus sign is repeated as it is. Here minus 11 and minus 42 के बीच में हमें comparison करना है, and when we have the negative sign then we will have the smaller number as greater. वैसे तो 11 जो है that is less than 42, but when there is minus sign, that is when they are negative integers, then we have the reversed sign. So here minus 11 is greater than minus 42, then here minus 21 minus 10 is greater than minus 31 plus minus 11. In the same way you have to solve sub question C, D on your own. वहाँ पर भी आपको इस तरह से solve करना है, and then you have to write the solution in your notebook after solving them in detail. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. Minus 8 plus dash is equal to 0. We have already discussed about additive inverse. So here minus 8 के साथ ऐसा क्या ऐड करेंगे कि हमें 0 मिलेगा? So the answer is plus 8. So minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. Next, for second sub question, that is B, we have 13 plus dash is equal to 0. So यहाँ पे 13 के साथ ऐसा क्या ऐड करेंगे? So if we add minus 13 to 13 then we will get 0. So in this blank space we will write minus 13. 13 plus minus 13 we get 0 because the additive inverse of 13 is minus 13. So here we will write minus 13. Next, 12 plus minus 12. Again, minus 12 is the additive inverse of 12. Therefore, the answer is equal to 0. The sum of the additive inverse is equal to 0. Next, minus 4 plus dash is equal to minus 12. So ये जो blank space है इसमें हम इसको x consider कर लेते हैं. Simply if we write x over here, this is only for explanation. ठीक है, आप लोग को समझाने के लिए I am using this example of x. So when we put x over here, we will have x is equal to minus 12, and when this minus 4 is taken to the other side of the equation, we will get plus 4. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे माइनस 12 प्लस 4 करेंगे, देन दिस विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस 8. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 8. देयरफॉर यहाँ पे माइनस 4 प्लस minus 8 will be equal to minus 12. So in this blank space we have to write minus 8. In the next question also, dash minus 15 is equal to minus 10. अब यहाँ पे minus 10 है, then obviously the answer will be less than 15. So to find out, let us take x in the blank space. We don't know what is in the blank space, so we are taking any x in the blank space. And as I told you before, this is equal to minus 10 plus 15. How did it become plus 15? When minus 15 is in the left hand side of the equation. When we take it to the right hand side of the equation, that is the other side of the equation, then the sign becomes opposite. So here we have plus 15. So here minus 10 plus 15 we will have 5. Right? यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको is equal to 15 minus 10, which is equal to 5. So here the value of x is equal to 5. So 5 minus 15 is equal to minus 10. In the blank space, in the place of x, we will write 5. Question number 4. Find a minus 7 minus 8 minus of minus 25. So in this question, we have to find the answer of this. So let us see the solution. In question number 4, we have to find minus 7 minus 8 minus of minus 25. So first of all, let us solve this. Minus 7 है, here we have minus 8 and this will be minus into minus plus 25. ठीक है, minus into minus we will have plus. अब यहाँ पे सबसे पहले अगर हम नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स को सॉल्व करेंगे, सो माइनस और माइनस क्या होता है, इफ़ बोथ द इंटीजर्स आर नेगेटिव देन वी add. So first of all we will have 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 करेंगे, then we will have 15 और ये क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस. ठीक है, what did we do? We did 7 plus 8. If you want you can write it like this, 7 plus 8 like so. माइनस कॉमन निकालेंगे, so ये हो जाएगा 7 plus 8 and plus 25 as it is. So 7 plus 8 क्या हो जाएगा, 15. Minus was outside the bracket, then we will write minus 15 and here we have plus 25. Now plus 25 can be written as 15 plus 10 है ना. 25 is nothing but 15 plus 10. क्यों लिखा, जैसे हम लोगों ने लास्ट एक्सरसाइज में सॉल्व किया था, वी आर सॉल्विंग दिस इन द सेम वे. सो हियर 25 is written as 15 plus 10 because 15 minus 15 becomes 0, right? 15 is the additive inverse of minus 15. So we will make 25 the additive inverse of the given number plus whatever is left out. So here 15 minus 15 is 0. What is left out is plus 10. So this is equal to plus 10. Similarly, in sub-question B, we have to find minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. So first of all, let us solve minus 8 minus 1. So here we have minus 13 plus 32 and when we take minus common, here we will have 8 plus 1. ठीक है, here minus 13 plus 32 is written as it is. Minus का sign भी as it is है. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So this is minus 9. Let us now rearrange this. Here we have 32 minus 13 and minus 9. So we can take minus common, then we will be left with minus of 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. So this is 32 minus 22. 13 plus 9 22 है and we are left with a minus sign outside the bracket. So here we will have 32 minus 22. Very simple. This is equal to 10. Again this is equal to plus 10. In the same way you have to solve sub question C and sub question D on your own. It is very simple. आपको 3 integers given है और उसके आपको solutions find करने हैं. So in the same way you have to solve it on your own and write the solution in your notebook.